Lights are shining everywhere, football fever fills the air. Every nation waves the flag, dreams are carried on their backs. Crowds are screaming loud tonight, underneath the glowing lights. Every player wants the crown, nobody is backing down. Feel the fire in your soul, football makes the planet whole. People dancing all around, children wearing jerseys proud, singing songs and cheering loud. Every heartbeat feels alive as the teams begin to rise. Different cultures, different names, still united by the game. Come, come, yeah, the people sing. Feel the joy that football brings. Hey! Running on the field, never ready now to yield. Sweat is falling on the grass, history begins to pass. Every keeper, every save shows the courage of the brave. Voices rising through the night as the stars begin to shine. Come, come, feel the energy. World Cup brings humanity. Watching more than just a simple game. Feel the magic in the air, unity is everywhere. No more borders, no more fear, only passion living here. Every player, every fan, part of one united land. Through the joy and through the pain, football always will remain. Come, come, hear the voices fly underneath the endless sky. Every player gives their all, standing proud, refusing fall. Every anthem, every cheer makes emotions crystal clear. Football speaks without a word, still its message can be heard. Every culture, every face finds connection in this place. Feel the fire, feel the sound as the world keeps spinning round. Some will win and some will cry, still the dream will never die. From the streets to giant towns, from the streets to giant towns, people. From the streets to giant towns, from the streets to giant towns, people dancing all around. Children wearing jerseys proud, singing songs and cheering loud. Every heartbeat feels alive as the teams begin to rise. Different cultures, different names, still united by the game. Come, come, hear the people sing. Feel the joy that football brings. Every pass and every run shines beneath the burning sun. Every tackle, every goal brings excitement to the soul. Fans are jumping side by side, filled with passion, filled with pride. Every anthem, every cheer makes emotions crystal clear. Football writes another page, breaking borders, ending rage. From the streets to giant towns, people dancing all around. Children wearing jerseys proud, singing songs and cheering loud.